Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the last video that we worked on Angel's F20b swapped EG hatch. Today we're going to finish up cutting the other side. Not going to record too much of it because you guys already understand the concept. Right now what I'm doing, I'm going to drill out all the little things on there that has the spot welds, like brackets for seats and stuff like that, to get that out the way. Once this other side's cut out as well, vacuum it out good, clean it up, and then possibly shoot this thing with some primer. I don't see why not today because it's decently early. So I'm gonna stop talking, get to drilling, wow, and then we'll get to priming after that other side's cut. Alright guys, so we got one here out, the one up here, working on that one right now, and we'll do those over there, and then we'll start cutting this out here. We'll just go from there, little by little. Yeet. Guys, so I left working with Angel, or helping Angel out at the shop. He went to go do what he had to do. I had to go do what I'm going to do. I'm actually about to put gas in the Cadillac now. We're heading about an hour and a half for me to Kissimmee, and we're meeting up with a guy to pick up an engine harness for the EK. It's the Y8 harness that we needed. Give me a really good deal on it. We're going to go pick that up, and hopefully it's the right harness. And then tomorrow, which this video will travel to, we'll go ahead and get it installed and everything, and hopefully do the first start on the car. So I'll catch you guys when we pick up the harness. Alright guys, so the next day we're at the shop. Here's the harness that we picked up. It's got everything we need. Three main things are these three plugs that goes into the ECU that we did not have. This is the plug for the distributor harness for, where we can actually use the jumper harness that we had that will jump to that, and then we just got to switch from males to females on the other end, and it'll plug straight into the distributor. So I'm going to go ahead and rip this harness out real quick and get this one installed. Okay, so old harness out. Gonna go ahead and start putting the new one in and do that. I gotta extend the alternator and stuff like that still. That had to be extended for H and F series. But we can go ahead and try and attempt to start the car without extending those now. And the car starts and I hear a pump and stuff, then I'll extend those later. So let's go ahead and get this thing right here put into that car of a thing over there. Alright guys, so the harness is pretty much in. I was looking at a couple things. For some reason, I thought this harness, like this jumper harness I have, was going to work. Yes and no. But this part is opposite here. And then these are opposite here. But I'm thinking of just swapping the pigtails on each side. That should work on that. And then also where it connects into the jumper harness for the ECU. I guess this is an F20b jumper harness out of the Accord. I need an F23a, and then all these plugs will connect that I need. So I'm gonna have to get one of those and either modify this one and get one I need, one or the other. So that's what I gotta do now. But yeah, the other harness is pretty much all in connected. I still gotta extend a couple things. Like I said, for the alternator's gotta be extended, and for the starter stuff's gotta be extended. But we can do that at a later time. Right now, I'm not gonna mess with that because it's kind of laid out. I had to go do a few things. So yeah, or maybe I'll do them still tonight. If so, I'll put in this. Alright guys, so we went ahead and made a little jump harness for the distributor, and then I was looking around for crank stuff, and I found I'm leaving the crank sensor here, so I extended that to go to the crank sensor. I don't know, just going through it. I ran power straight to the pump. Fuel, we're getting fuel to the fuel filter and everything now, but we're still not. It's still not starting. It's just cranking. We're not getting spark. I don't know why, but we're not. I did notice, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but this one still, it has the 3 plugs, but this one doesn't plug into the jumper harness because this jumper harness is F20b2 or F20b, and we need F22a for this. So I don't know if that's causing an issue. I have a buddy who's got a stock Y8 distributor. In theory, I should be able to plug that in and start the car if everything else is connected right on the engine. But I don't know. Like I say it all the time. I don't know like wiring, electrical stuff. But I know a stock ECU should start it, regardless if it's an F23 or whatnot, because that's just how Hondas are. You can use a distributor and start a car. It's gonna run like crap, but I'm not really worried about how it runs because when I'm driving the car, I just want to hear the engine turn over. And at that point, I can go ahead and order up a jumper harness, stuff like that, and get the ball rolling on that to get the car where it's running and staying running kind of thing instead of just cranking. So I'm gonna dig around this a little more and then I'll update you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so unfortunately yet another video of the EK not starting. Pretty much what I gotta do, like I said, is get a harness, like a jumper harness for it, or a stock ECU. I posted in a whole bunch of forums and stuff, so hopefully someone hit me up. I know when I posted about the Y8 harness, you know, someone, like 10 people messaged me in like 10 minutes. So, you know, I'm gonna pick one up that night, as you guys will see in this video. But now I posted that I need an F21 or F22a to F21 jumper harness or a stock Y8 ECU, because the car will start on that. So I'm gonna get out of here for the night. I'm beat, I'm tired, and kind of annoyed on this. Kind of don't even want to work on this car no more. Video, I don't know how much footage is in it, because we've done a lot of stuff between the Angel's car and the stuff in this car. So yeah, I'm gonna end it there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I haven't been uploading as much as I want. Just really trying to do a lot of research and figure out things on this car. Probably soon we're gonna be starting on the Accord or the S10. I know I really do want to start on the S10 because I miss my truck. I'm not motivated to work on it because I don't have the engine for it that I want, and I really want to put a V8 in it, but I can't right now. So we'll just go ahead and tackle other stuff until we get to that point. And as you guys know, this truck needs a lot of work. So probably stay tuned soon for videos on the S10. But for now, guys, I'm done. I'm going home. I'm gonna eat. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button so y'all get notified when we post. Peace.